Hello friends, this is Prabhakar. Today we are going to discuss about how to do lighting effects in Kinemaster software. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon because it motivates me to do a lot more videos. Before start the video, I will play a small clip of lighting effect. Open Kinemaster app in your mobile phone. Click on edit option. Select video ratio 16:9. Click on media. Select which image you would like to edit. Hold at right hand and drag up to how much length you require. Select layer and select overlayer, and that select active weather. Here you can choose which lighting effect you would like to add. Select on that. Drag and keep the sticker how I showed in video. If you want to add lighting effects, you should have a premium version of Kinemaster software and you need to download from the Kinemaster store. Hold at right hand and drag up to the length of the video clip. Let me play the video. After completion of video, you need to export the video you made. For that you need to click on exit option, select the video you made and select on share option. Click on export option. After it reaches 100%, the video will automatically save to your gallery. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon because it motivates me to do lot more videos.